各位同学晚安。睡前利用短暂的时间来做一下很久没有做练习的新闻朗读训练。那我们这次选的文章是 China Post 里面的卫生福利部的一篇文章，这个难度稍微有一点点啦，因为里面单字专有名词可能比较多一点。那我们就来试试看，看能不能用发音不见得认识这个字，但可以利用那个发音的原理，看看能不能把它能够不要太卡，能够念完。好，我们来看一下这一篇新闻，卫福部这篇新闻的标题：Taiwan developing vaccine to treat respiratory infections。台湾正在发展疫苗来治疗呼吸道的感染。可以看到照片是卫生福利部，这个跳过去好了。照片下面的说明，那个 caption 我们也跳过去，我们直接从内文来开始看，从 Taipei CNA 这边开始。A Taiwanese research team has developed a nasal spray vaccine to suppress lower respiratory tract infections caused by a virus that is a major cause of respiratory illness in young children and a contributing factor in infant deaths. The team headed by Zhou Yanhong, a research fellow at the Institute of Infectious Diseases and Vaccinology under Taiwan's National Health Research Institute, NHRI, called the patented vaccine a major breakthrough in the prevention of infections caused by the virus known as respiratory syncytial virus, RSV. Each year in Taiwan, about 1,000 newborns and toddlers are hospitalized due to RSV infection, and 90% of them are infants aged under 2 years, according to official statistics. At the press event Monday, Zhou said that what makes RSV infection dangerous to patients is that it develops rapidly. It takes only 2 to 3 days for the symptoms to turn worse, from a fever to respiratory distress, and further develop into pneumonia or bronchitis, Zhou said. Severe RSV infection occurs in 5% to 10% of infected children aged under 5, and the mortality rate is 1%, according to Zhou. Even worse, the loss of patients who have recovered from the illness may sustain irreversible damage, leading to symptoms such as asthma, Zhou said. A vaccine is particularly important, he said, because there is currently no cure for RSV infection except for using costly monoclonal antibody therapy. Using mucous membrane vectors, Zhou's research team has developed a modified adenovirus-based nasal spray vaccine, which it proved can effectively reduce the volume of RSVs that are infecting lung cells, further mitigating inflammation in the lungs. Adenoviruses are a group of viruses that typically cause respiratory illnesses, such as the common cold, conjunctivitis, an infection in the eye that is sometimes called pink eye, croup, bronchitis, or pneumonia. In children, adenoviruses usually cause infections in the respiratory tract. Zhou said the vaccine has successfully helped reduce RSVs in lung cells in mice during the experiments that have been done. During trials using pregnant mice as subjects, his team found that after a mother subject was injected with 2 doses of the vaccine, she passed on the antibody to her newborns. Zhou's team has patented the vaccine and completed a technical transfer to a local company in 2017. The vaccine is scheduled to be tested in human trials by the end of the year, the NHRI said, expressing the hope that vaccine can be available for the use of young children aged under 15 and seniors over the age of 65 in 3 years. Zhou estimated that the vaccine will likely remain effective for as long as 20 years with 2 doses, based on the results of past research. 好，我们就整个念完。当然里面有很多医学名词啊，那个跟胸腔科可能有点关系，但我们就是用实验的方式看看。比较卡的应该是我当然刚刚也蛮卡的，我自己感觉到蛮卡的，可能是这个 adenovirus based， 这个有点卡，其他都还好，好像这个也蛮卡的，应该是 monoclonal， 好像是这样的，那个 clone 可能是克隆吧，复制吧，单一复制还是什么的，我不太清楚，我不是这个专业，就是让同学参考一下，就是说我们以英文的拼音跟拼字发音跟拼字之间的关系，事实上很多字不认识，还是一样可以把它做一个初步的处理，这样子提供同学做个参考。当然，同学有兴趣的话，也可以把不认识的那些属于医学上面的专有名词。也许有些跟拉丁文有关系啦，你有兴趣可以查一查，用英英字典查一查，然后自己念念看。如果没有兴趣就参考就好了。那我们今天只是做一个实验性的一个播报。好，感谢大家，晚安。